Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today, we're taking a closer look at Mobirise, a powerful offline website builder available at mobirise.com. This platform empowers you to craft stunning, responsive websites without needing any coding expertise. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or a complete novice, Mobirise offers an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that simplifies the entire website creation process. Its offline functionality means you can build your site anywhere, anytime, without an internet connection, a major advantage for those on the go or working in areas with limited connectivity. Mobirise boasts a vast library of pre-built blocks and templates that you can easily customize to fit your specific needs. From captivating hero sections and image galleries to engaging contact forms and call-to-action buttons, you'll find everything you need to build a professional-looking website. The platform is also highly versatile, allowing you to create websites for various purposes, including portfolios, landing pages, business websites, and even online stores. One of Mobirise's key strengths is its mobile-first approach. In today's mobile-driven world, having a website that looks and functions flawlessly on all devices is crucial. Mobirise ensures your website is fully responsive, adapting seamlessly to different screen sizes and resolutions. This ensures a consistent and optimal user experience for visitors accessing your site from smartphones, tablets, or desktops. Furthermore, the platform is regularly updated with new features and enhancements, ensuring you always have access to the latest web design trends and technologies. With Mobirise, you're not just building a website, you're building a digital presence that is both modern and effective. So, head over to mobirise.com and start building your dream website today. Remember to explore the various themes and extensions available to unlock even more design possibilities. Mobirise truly puts the power of web design in your hands, making the process accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more information.